This video will guide you through how to download Pionex application on PC. To get the Pionex application on your PC, first go ahead and download an Android emulator. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Pionex app using BlueStacks Android emulator. If you don't have the app installed, go ahead and click open a web browser. Into the search box, type in bluestacks.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then make sure to download the BlueStacks Android emulator by clicking on this download link. You can also see all of the versions and pick the version you'd like to get started with. Once the download is completed, launch the BlueStacks Android emulator open. Once the Android emulator loads, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Enter one of the Google account's email and password and log into your Google account, and you'll be able to use your Play Store on PC. Once you get access to this page, click on the App Center button. Once you're inside the App Center, go to the search box and type in Pionex. Press enter on a keyboard to search. Now, go ahead and install the Pionex crypto trading bot application by clicking the install button right next to the app. Wait for the application to download and install. After the download is completed, click on the open button to launch open Pionex application on PC. Now, you'll be able to find the application in the main homepage for your Android emulator. You can simply go ahead and click open the app and get started with Pionex. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.